Archiving a Facebook group freezes it, making it read-only while preserving all existing content. As an admin, first access your group, then click the More button, 3 dots. Then select Group Settings and go to the Advanced tab. Scroll to Archive Group and confirm. You can leave a note explaining why. Archiving is ideal for groups that have served their purpose, like event-specific or completed project groups. It's different from deleting a group, which is permanent. You can unarchive the group at any time to restore full functionality as of December 1st, 2025. Meta's 2024 analytics show archiving helps reduce content moderation needs. When a Facebook group is archived, members will see a banner at the top indicating that the group is archived and that new posts are disabled. All previous posts, comments, photos, and files remain visible and searchable, but members can no longer add new content, react, or invite new members. Notifications from the group will cease, and the group will be moved from active group lists. The group remains in your groups for easy access to historical content. According to a 25 Pew Research Center report, 55% of users find archived groups useful for nostalgia or reference. As of 2025, Meta indicates high user satisfaction with the ability to view archived content easily.